Fish curry. A dish that has traveled across continents and cultures, bringing with it a rich history and a burst of flavors. This dish is a global sensation, loved by people from all walks of life. It's a symphony of flavors, a perfect blend of spices and herbs that dance on your palate. And it's taking America by storm, becoming a favorite in cities and towns across the nation. From coast to coast, people are discovering its magic, sharing it with friends and family. Imagine tender fish swimming in a rich, aromatic sauce, each bite a burst of flavor, each bite bursts with flavor. It's a culinary adventure that leaves you wanting more. The beauty of fish curry is its versatility. It can be adapted to suit any palate. Every region, every culture adds its own twist, creating a unique version of this beloved dish. South Indian curries are known for their tangy, coconutty flavors, a true delight for the senses. Bengali curries are bold and vibrant, with a kick of mustard that adds a unique zing. And then there's the alluring aroma of Moroccan fish curry with its preserved lemons and olives. They all tantalize the senses, creating a sensory explosion that is hard to resist. This isn't just about food, it's about cultural fusion, bringing people together. It's about the stories each dish tells, the memories it creates, and the joy it brings. This essay takes you on a journey through America's fish curry scene, exploring its rich diversity. Get ready for a delicious adventure. Dive into the world of fish curry and savor every moment. South India is a land of vibrant spices, where the air is filled with the rich aroma of turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder. These spices are the soul of South Indian cuisine. Their fish curries are legendary, known for their depth of flavor and complexity. Imagine fresh fish simmered in a creamy coconut sauce, where each bite is a burst of tropical delight. The aroma itself is intoxicating, drawing you in with its promise of a flavorful journey. Tamarind adds a tangy twist, balancing the richness of the coconut with a hint of sourness. Curry leaves provide a unique citrusy note. It's a flavor explosion that dances on your palate. The preparation is an art form, passed down through generations, each step meticulously followed. First, you grind fresh coconut with spices into a paste, creating a base that is both fragrant and flavorful. This paste forms the heart of the curry, infusing it with a rich, creamy texture. Then it simmers with tomatoes, onions, and ginger garlic, each ingredient adding its own layer of flavor. The fish, often mackerel or sardines, is added last, ensuring it remains tender and absorbs all the spices. One bite, and you're transported to the coast of Kerala, where the sea breeze mingles with the scent of spices. This is the magic of South Indian fish curry, a dish that captures the essence of the region. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience, a celebration of flavors and traditions that brings people together. Bengali and Moroccan flavors have found a home here. Bengali fish curry is a fiery delight. Mustard oil gives it a unique pungency. Green chilies add a fiery kick. It's not for the faint of heart. Moroccan fish curry is a different story. It's an exotic dance of flavors. Cumin, paprika, and saffron create a warm, inviting aroma. The fish, often cod or snapper, is cooked to perfection in a rich tomato-based sauce. It's a culinary journey to the heart of Morocco. These diverse influences have enriched America's culinary landscape. It's a testament to the power of food to connect cultures and continents. America loves to experiment with flavors and cuisines from around the world. Fusion fish curries are all the rage, blending the best of different culinary traditions. Chefs are getting creative, blending traditional and local ingredients to create unique dishes. Imagine a Thai-inspired fish curry with coconut milk and lemongrass, bringing a taste of Southeast Asia to your table. Or a Mexican twist with chipotle peppers and cilantro, adding a smoky and fresh flavor. The possibilities are endless. Fish curry isn't just delicious, it's incredibly healthy too. Packed with nutrients and flavor, it's a perfect meal for any occasion. Fish is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for a balanced diet. The spices used in curry, like turmeric and pepper, have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a healthy choice. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your body. Enjoy a meal that's both tasty and nutritious. So, there you have it. America's love affair with fish curry continues to grow. From the tangy curries of South India to the fiery delights of Bengal, there's a world of flavors to explore. So grab your apron, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the delicious journey. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, there's always something new to discover.